Today we are looking at one of the most common assumptions on site. Boss is tight, job is done. But a lot of edge protection fails has nothing to do with the bolt. Let's break that down. The post was standing. The barrier was on. From a distance, this bay looked finished, but the locking pin was never fully engaged. You thought it was safe, but it only looked installed. Nobody doubled it at the first glance. Post spacing looked fine. The rails looked clean. The base looked settled. The first signal was small. I lifted the post by hand. It moved. Not a light wind sway. It was free play from a pin that never locked. Why did nobody catch it? Because everyone checked it if it was installed. Nobody checked if it was locked. The problem was not missing a pin. The pin never reached at the working position. Half in and fully in can look almost the same on site. On the load, the difference is massive. I lifted it again. If the pin is engaged, the post should never give this free travel. If it lifts, the restraint loop is not closed. Site teams often get fooled by another action. The bolt feels tight, the clamp feels set, so the whole bay gets signed off in their hand. The locking pin is the safety step. Skip it, and every tight feeling becomes false compression. The expensive part is not one pin. It is a moment inspection catches it. Best case, rework. Worst case, the edge stops and gets rebuilt. The hardest loss is trust. The client only remembers one line. Your edge protection was up and not locked. On a project, uncertainty itself is cost. We did not fix this with a slogan. We fixed it with the check action and the lock feedback you can feel. The correct state is simple. The pin must sit fully. After that, the upward lift should not show that free play. On site, ask one question only. Is it standing or locked? We put this check into install confirmation. If you need to join best install review, it is a paid project add-on with the system, not the free open-ended consulting. First, make this step visible on camera. I'll be straight. The most dangerous edge protection is not the missing part you can see. It is the state everyone believes is ready, finished. Standing is not locked. If the checklist only says installed, this gap stays open. Before you next install, check three things. 1. Is the pin there? 2. Is it fully seated? 3. On a hand lift, is there still free play? Is your site still signing off by site only? Talk it out in the comments. If you need project technical review, reach us here. Website, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp are in the description.